Hello, good morning everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about a mini project which we have created for the subject predictive analysis. So it consists it this project is made by me and my team, and let me introduce you to my team. So it's consists of 5 members: Ayushi Jain, Abhishek Kumar, Vikrant Thakur, Arbaz Khan, and me, Avni Popat. So in this video, we are going to even discuss about a project plan, execution algorithm, expected result, and we'll conclude it with the future scope. So as we all know that cryptocurrency is a virtual digital currency, and as we know that over the past few years, it is gaining a lot of attention from the media. So and it is the second largest cryptocurrency. So with the help of predicting the price of that, we are trying to get the ideal growth for everyone. So
We have broken down the Ethereum projections for the future, and we will be analyzing a data set of Ethereum of prices from September 2020 to 2021, and we'll try to understand the patterns and have an idea of its growth in the upcoming years. So as we can see in the graph below, we can see that in the price chart that the Ethereum price today has been reduced due to a strong bullish momentum over the past couple of weeks. So basically, Ethereum broke out on the falling wedge. That price was trapped in during June and July, and that prompts a solid impulse upwards.
Regression. So linear regression is basically a supervised machine learning thing which is used to predict the value of independent and the dependent variables. The formula for it is like y is equal to mx plus c, where we can see a x-axis and a y-axis graph, where we can find the predict the values of the dependent and the independent value variable. So they are simple and statistical method used by plotting a graph, and we can see here a graph where it's showing a linear line and showing the how dependent variable are depending upon the independent variable. So coming to the algorithm part, algorithm is basically used for it is a basically a stepwise method to solve any problem. And for this algorithm, first in every project you have to see which algorithm fits to your case, and first identifying to the algorithm is the foremost step. So for we can see where there are many various method, like clustering, classification, and regression model. So we have used regression algorithm and the random search method here. So regression algorithm are the machine learning technique which is used to predict.
Ethereum, here you can see that the prices of Ethereum would start today is from 4,233 US dollars, and the total number of transactions that have taken place today is 1.296 million. That's huge, and this changes every second, and all the updates are here on this website. So, using this Vezirix platform, let's see the how Ethereum has been fluctuating. The Ethereum price value has been fluctuating. You can see here the highest has been 352, uh, and lowest has been 333, within the range of this. And Ethereum's price by the September end of this year 2021 would be 4,478. Wasn't the actual value 2 months before this day, but it was really in the range of this specific value only. It was around 4,789 something. So the factors that have affected this Ethereum's value can be the entire cryptocurrency market. People like Elon Musk have affected the cryptocurrency market at a very large scale, and we all know that. We have used linear regression to predict this value of Ethereum, where linear regression simply uses two variables, out of which one is dependent and another is independent, and the dependent variable that we have used was the price of Ethereum, and independent variables was the trend, the time, the value, previous values of this Ethereum.
Ethereum based applications are likely to impact market governance, public services, and perhaps even how identity is managed. In the future, we may use Ethereum platform to change the way mortgage transfers, securities, and may other field work. Our Ethereum forecast over the long term is highly optimistic. If you are wondering how to buy a cryptocurrency and are considering to investment in Ethereum, then now might be a great time to add this coin to your portfolio. The momentum in the market combined with Ethereum solid use case make this crypto one of the most exciting option in the future. In conclusion, we can see Ethereum is a technology that completely revolutionizes the way transactions are carried out. Thanks to smart contracts, it is possible to replace all existing standards contracts to improve transaction security. And the application are almost infinite, and we are still at its beginning. In terms of use and development, Ethereum is becoming more mature with a higher number of transactions than Bitcoin. We can safely believe that Ethereum will continue to grow and will remain one of the biggest players on the market because more